Professor John Dewey has been considered an influential figure in education and social reform. Throughout his whole career, he wrote about how the learning process was being carried in the ground way. His theory was fully based on the acquisition of knowledge throughout the experience, not only through passive observation, so that learners must be constantly participating in their learning process instead of just listening and taking notes.
Given that, specifically in the reflex ARC concept in psychology, he exposed how stimulus creates responses and these are deeply linked to the creation of habits. This not only means that each experience develops certain knowledge related to the interaction between them, but there is a relation.
Dewey did research about the human learning process. However, his approach was child-centered and he thought that they must explore different learning environments in order to create interest and purpose their unique way of learning.
Further, there are other important factors such as the sensory and motor skills, the context of the situation, the environment, and engagement of the potential learners.
He proposed an educational reform to traditional education, which consisted of the principle of learning through doing. He was a believer of education focusing on how children interact with their present, having real experiences.